Our next award is the Business Excellence Award. First, the Small Business Award. The Chamber represents companies of all sizes, but roughly 80% of their 2,200 members are small businesses. So being selected as a finalist tonight is an incredible honor. With the winner's envelope, please welcome Mike Edwards, President and CEO of the Knoxville Chamber. Now, finalists in the small business category must have 50 employees or less, and as with all the Pinnacle Excellence Awards, must show profitability, growth, and stability. All finalists must demonstrate the ability to overcome obstacles, including access to capital, operational efficiency, control of expenses, customer loyalty, and distribution of products or services. Growing regional businesses like All Occasion Catering, Sword and Shield Enterprise Security, and Master Service Companies are past winners of this award. And tonight, one of these three companies will join that esteemed list. Tag Resources, LLC. Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. And Axle Logistics. Take a look.
Tag Resources, LLC. Tag Resources is a tech-based third-party administrator, TPA, in the retirement industry, handling all back-office operations in the administration of a 401k or 403b retirement plan. The company currently has plans in 48 states and U.S. territories, and their Tennessee-based business is among the highest plan counts. Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling Incorporated. A plumbing and HVAC company offering services in Knoxville and surrounding areas, Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling started in 1998 with one employee and a single truck. The company diversified its service portfolio in 2014 and since has experienced growth exceeding all previous company projections. Axle Logistics. Axle Logistics is a third-party logistics company based in the heart of downtown Knoxville, Tennessee that provides safe, reliable, and advanced transportation service, truckload, LTL, intermodal, and warehousing to a wide variety of clients throughout the continental U.S., Canada, and Mexico.
And the winner is Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. Tom, Evan, I can't see. Hear you.
Yes, Father.
Thank you, Knoxville. It was just a moment ago I was working in these streets. I remember job costing at Petty's Hot Dogs in 1964 and pulling to parking lots in Kaz Walker and doing job costing for my dad. Some wonderful times. I've learned a lot. I've been standing on the shoulders of giants all my life. I've learned from so many different people. I'm so appreciative to what I've been given. I'm truly a blessed man. What my father taught me, I taught my daughter, and it just goes on from there. And we are rocking and rolling, and I'm really happy to be here. And it's a long ways to the top if you want to rock and roll, so just keep plugging at it.
We're going to have